lovelies, my name is Nellie Robert and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this autumn eye look, perfect for darker skin tones. First thing first, I'm going to dip into my Revolution Reloaded Newtrals 2 palette. I'm going to grab myself a neutral brown. I'm going to pop that just above my crease and blend that all the way in. So dipping into that same palette, I'm just going to grab a gorgeous rusty orange, dust that off, and pop that directly onto my eyelids. How gorgeous is this orange? Now we're going to move on to blending, and I'm going to dip right back into that brown that I started with, the transition colour. Apply that to my crease again. Autumn is all about the dark colours, so I can't forget to add black. I'm just going to dip into my palette and on the outer crease of my eyes, just blend in a little bit of black just to create that smoky effect. Then in a circular motion, I'm just going to bring that towards the centre of my eyelids and then go back and forth with that. Now that our eyes are standing out so much more, I'm going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to dip back into that burnt orange. I must say, the eyes look fab, but I do feel like the lower lash line needs like a three-dimensional effect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually dip into a brown, pop that up against the orange, and it will definitely give it a little bit more definition. Now I'm going to grab my black eye pencil and pop that just into my waterline. So now I'm going to apply the eyelashes. Guys, how amazing does this look? I am so... I just love how this look turned out, and I find that the orange goes amazingly with the season right now. I hope you enjoyed this super easy tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.